Hormones. Hormones are the chemical substances which are secreted by the ductless gland and transported to the different part of our body by the bloodstream where they control different physiological action of the body. The word hormone is derived from the Greek language which means to gear up or to excite. There are the three different types of the hormones here we are having. Number one, steroid hormones. Number two, amine hormones. And number three, that is known as peptide hormones. First, steroid hormones. Steroid hormones having adrenal cortex. The name of the hormone is cortisone. Source is adrenal cortex. It controls the mineral balance in the body and metabolism of the fat, carbohydrate and protein. Second is sex hormone, testosterone, progesterone and estrogen. Testosterone, the source is testis, regulate and stimulate the male sex organs. Progesterone, corpus luteum, it controls the development and maintenance of the pregnancy. Estrogen, source is ovary, it maintains the normal function of the female sex organs. Amine hormones, thyroxine, the source is thyroid, it regulates the metabolism of the lipid, protein and carbohydrates. Adrenaline, adrenal medulla is the source, it controls the blood pressure, increase the pulse rate, helps to release the fatty acid from and get and glucose from the liver glycogen. Peptide hormone, these are the insulin, the source is pancreas, maintain glucose level in the blood and glucose metabolism. Oxytocin, posterior pituitary gland is the source, it helps to release the milk from the mammary glands and also help to contract the uterus mothers during the childbirth. Vasopressin is the source is pituitary gland, it regulates the reabsorption of the water in the kidney. Now in case of vitamins, the organic compounds required in the diet in the small amount to perform the specific biological function for normal maintenance of the optimum growth and health of the living organism. The vitamins are designated by the alphabet A, B, C, D, etc. Some of them are further named as subgroups, that is B1, B2, B6, B12, etc. Excess of the vitamin is also harmful and the vitamin pills should not be taken without the advice of the doctor. We know that the vitamins are classified into the two groups on the basis of their solubility. That is, they are water soluble or fat soluble. The fat soluble vitamin, the vitamins which are soluble in fat and oils but insoluble in water, are kept in this group. These vitamins are A, D, E and K. They are stored in liver and adipose tissues of the body. Second is water soluble vitamins. B group vitamin and vitamin C are soluble in water, so they are grouped together. The water soluble vitamin must be supplied regularly in the diet because they are readily excreted out in the urine and cannot be stored except vitamin B12 in our body. The different vitamins and their functions are mentioned in the table. First, we are having vitamin A, known as retinol. Characteristics are soluble in oil and fat, stable to heat, promote growth and vision, and increase the resistance to disease. The sources are milk, butter, egg, liver oil. Deficiency disease is xerophthalmia, that is hardening of eye cornea, night blindness, and xerosis, drying of skin. Vitamin B1, known as thiamine, soluble in water, destroyed by heat above 313 Kelvin temperature. The sources are pulses, nuts, cereals, rice, vegetable and fruits. Deficiency diseases are beriberi, loss of appetite. B2, riboflavin. Lactoflavin is also its another name. Soluble in water. Daily doses are 2 to 3 milligram in milk, green vegetable, meat, kidney, egg white, etc. Deficiency diseases are retarded growth, inflammation of the tongue, chelosis, that is, cracking at the corner of the mouth and lips. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine, soluble in water. Sources rice, yeast, molasses, meat, fish. Cause anemia in the man affected central nervous system and convulsions. B12, cyanocobalamin, present in milk, egg, liver of the animals. It causes deficiency diseases, pernicious anemia. Vitamin H, biotin, neither soluble in water nor in fat, and cause the loss of hairs and paralysis. Vitamin C, known as ascorbic acid, present in citrus fruits, causes scurvy, that is bleeding in gums, and pyorrhea. Vitamin D, known as ergocalciferol, present in milk, butter, egg, and meat, cause rickets, deformation of bones, and osteomalacia, soft bones and joints pain. Vitamin E, it is a mixture of 4 vitamin A, B, G, D, tocopherols, and the sources vegetable oil, wheat germ oil, cottonseed oil, peanut oil, soybean, egg, meat, fish, etc. Loss of sexual power, reproduce sterility, or increase the muscular weakness. Vitamin K, phylaquinone, it is a mixture of the two vitamin K1 and K2. The vitamin K1 present in the green leaf vegetables cause the loss of blood clotting time, that is, it takes a time for blood clotting, hemorrhage. Now nucleic acids. Nucleic acids were discovered by Frederick Messler, who named them nuclei due to their acidic nature. The chemical analysis of the chromosome show the presence of the two nucleic acid DNA and RNA. The nucleic acid is a macromolecule consists of mainly monomeric unit called the nucleotide. Each nucleotide is composed of a nucleoside and the phosphate group. Thus, the nucleotide is the prosthetic ester of the nucleoside. Each nucleoside consists of sugar molecule and a nitrogenous base. The relationship can be shown as given below. The nucleic acid, many nucleotides. Nucleotide, nucleoside plus phosphate. Nucleoside, sugar plus nitrogenous base. Thus, the nucleotide phosphate group plus sugar plus nitrogenous base. Nucleic acid bear different components that are briefly discussed. Number 1, phosphoric acid. Number 2, sugar. Number 3, the nitrogenous base. The acidic nature of the nucleic acid is due to the presence of the phosphoric acid. Sugar of nucleoside combined with phosphoric acid by a phosphodiester bond formed at 5' or 3' carbon atom of the sugar. Sugar. It is a 5 carbon pentose sugar. There are two types of the pentose sugar, ribose and deoxyribose. Deoxyribose sugar has one oxygen atom less at the second carbon atom. Ribose sugar is present in RNA while deoxyribose sugar is present in DNA. Nitrogenous bases. There are two categories. Number 1, that is pyrimidine. It includes cytosine, thymine and uracil. Pyrimidine bases are made up of only one ring of carbon, while purine, it includes adenine and guanine. The purine base are made up of the two rings of the carbon and nitrogen base of DNA, contain adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. In RNA, uracil is present in place of thymine. Many nucleotide monomer units join one another to give rise polynucleotide chain. The two adjacent nucleotides are joined by formation of phosphodiester bond, a bond that involves two ester bonds. A polynucleotide chain is often written as 5-P 3-OH. This indicates that it is a dinucleotide with phosphate group attached to the 5 carbon atom of the terminal nucleotide of the hydroxyl group OH is presented the third carbon atom of the basal nucleotide. Two nucleic acid chains are wound about each other and are held together by the hydrogen bond between the pair of bases. The two strands are complementary to each other because the hydrogen bonds are formed between the specific pair of the bases. Adenine form hydrogen bond with thymine, whereas cytosine form hydrogen bond with guanine. While we know that a DNA molecule is capable of self-duplication during the cell division, and identical DNA strands are transformed to the daughter cell. Another important function of the nucleic acid is the protein synthesis in the cell. Types of the RNA and their function. There are three types of the RNA: ribosomal RNA, messenger RNA, and transfer RNA. Ribosomal RNA, it is found in the ribosome and is usually associated with the protein to form the ribosomes. Messenger RNA, it carries the genetic message code from the DNA to ribosome. It is produced by the DNA. Messenger RNA is also single strand and constitute about 15% of the total RNA. Transfer RNA, it is synthesized in the nucleus by the DNA. It is also called soluble RNA. It is a single strand. There are 20 different kinds of transfer RNA and each type has a specificity for the particular amino acid. It constitutes about 5% of the total RNA. It has very short lifetime period. Now what are the differences between DNA and RNA? DNA usually occur inside the nucleus and some cells organelles. While RNA, very little RNA occur inside the nucleus, most of them found in the cytoplasm. DNA is a genetic material. RNA is not the genetic material except in certain viruses. Rhinovirus. Example. DNA, it is a double strand with the exception of in some viruses. RNA is a single strand. DNA contains over a million nucleotides. Depending upon the type, RNA contains 70 to 1200 nucleotides. DNA is of only two types, intranuclear and extranuclear. There are three types of the RNA: messenger, transfer, and ribosomal. It contains deoxyribose sugar, DNA. RNA contains ribose sugar. Nitrogenous base thymine occurs in DNA. In place of thymine, uracil is present in RNA. It replicates to form the new DNA molecule. RNA cannot replicate itself. DNA transcribes genetic information to RNA. RNA translates the transcribed message for forming the polypeptides. DNA controls the metabolism and genetic information, while RNA, it only controls the metabolism. Purine and pyrimidine bases are in equal numbers in DNA, or there is no proportionality between the number of the purine and pyrimidine bases in RNA.